Okay, these kitties are about a year old, and they are brothers, and they are tame with people they know, but they would take a while to get tame with someone new. And they're gentle kitties. This one really likes his belly being rubbed. And if you're interested in adopting them, call us at 928-635-2071. And our email is lauraduncan, LAURADUNCAN, @ISP.com. They're brothers, so they ought to go to a home together. And they have their shots, and they are fixed. And I'm not sure if I said already that they were born around April 2012. So they're both long-haired kitties, and very pretty. This one is called Little Boy because he's small, and the other one's called Pretty Boy for obvious reasons. He's quite pretty. He's quite a bit bigger too. So that's all.
Okay.